Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we give you all the beauty insights you need to make informed choices for your skin and self-care routine. If you've been looking for a way to elevate your cleansing game, you've probably considered a facial brush. But with so many options out there, it's hard to know which one will actually deliver the results you're looking for. Today, we're taking a look at the Conair True Glow Facial Cleansing Brush Replacement Heads. Are they worth the hype? Let's dive in. And of course, if you want more honest reviews like this, hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Now, these replacement brush heads are designed to keep your Conair True Glow facial brush models SFB, SFB3, SFB3R, and SFB3PK in tip-top shape. Conair recommends replacing the brush head every 3 months, so it's essential to keep this in mind if you want to maintain a smooth, effective cleansing experience. These brush heads are made specifically to work with Conair's True Glow facial cleansing brushes. They're crafted to gently remove dirt, oil, and makeup from your pores, and at the same time, they help to whisk away dead skin cells. This combination of cleansing and exfoliating can leave your skin feeling refreshed and looking brighter in just about 60 seconds of use. The design of these heads is intended to give you a thorough, yet gentle cleanse, which is ideal for anyone with sensitive skin or those looking for an extra boost to their skincare routine. When I first tested these replacement heads, it was a smooth and easy process to switch them out on the brush. The brush head clicks into place, making it secure and steady during use. After incorporating it into my daily routine, I found it to be incredibly effective in cleansing my skin, especially around the nose and chin area where buildup tends to accumulate. My skin felt clean and refreshed without feeling stripped or irritated. The brush heads are soft enough for daily use, but the exfoliation is noticeable enough to keep my skin feeling smooth. However, I do want to mention that if you're used to using a manual facial scrub or a harsher exfoliant, the gentle exfoliation from these brush heads may take a little getting used to. It's more of a soft polish than a deep scrub, but for those with more sensitive skin, this is a huge plus. The main advantage of these replacement brush heads is their affordability, especially compared to similar products on the market. Many high-end brush heads can cost a lot more, but these provide similar functionality at a more budget-friendly price. When you factor in that you're recommended to replace them every 3 months, the cost per use is quite reasonable. In terms of build quality, these brush heads are sturdy, and Conair is known for producing durable beauty tools. The material feels gentle on the skin, but durable enough to handle daily use. I did notice that after several uses, the bristles still maintained their shape and didn't show signs of wear or shedding, which is always a good sign of longevity. I've had a great experience with Conair's customer service in the past, so I can confidently say that they are reliable if you ever run into issues. They're typically responsive, which is always a good thing when it comes to beauty tools that require regular maintenance or replacements. Now, are there any alternatives out there? There are a few brands with similar facial brush heads, like the ones from Olay or Clarisonic, though they no longer make the Clarisonic brushes. However, Conair's brush heads come in at a much more accessible price point, making them a great value if you're not looking to break the bank. To wrap up, these Conair True Glow Facial Cleansing Brush Replacement Heads are a solid option for anyone who uses the Conair True Glow Facial Brush and wants to keep their skin cleansing routine effective and affordable. They're gentle, easy to use, and provide a nice balance of exfoliation and cleansing. If you're after a reliable, budget-friendly replacement head that works just as well as higher-end options, this is a great pick. Thanks for tuning in. And if you've used these brush heads or any other Conair skincare tools, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear about your experience. And if you want to get your hands on them, the link is in the description or comments. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay beautiful inside and out.